How to make a cooling scarf. Things you'll need: thread, rotary cutter, water beads, a 1/4 teaspoon, scissors, a ruler, and a 4.5 by 42 inch strip of fabric. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew the face sides together to make the tube, backstitching at the beginning and the end. Now we're going to turn the tube right side out. Some people use a safety pin for this step, but you can also use a blunt object like the wrong side of a pen to push the fabric through. Now you want to measure 8 inches away from the center of the scarf, and that will be our mark for sewing our first line across. This is the pocket that will hold the water beads, so we want the stitches to be nice and secure. Okay, on the longer side of the scarf, we want to put our 1/4 teaspoon of water beads inside of the cavity of the scarf. Make sure to push all of the beads down to the bottom so they fit snug in the stitch. Find your halfway point a second time. Measure 8 inches from that center to close the pocket for our beads. So our beads are enclosed, so we just need to finish off the ends. You'll flatten your fabric, lining up the seams on top of one another. And then seam side down, we're going to trim at an angle. Bring your end back to your sewing machine, and you're going to tuck the raw edges of the end of your scarf inside. And then we will do a top stitch across the end. repeat the process on the other side. Soak your scarf in a bowl of water for a minimum of 6 hours, and the beads will expand. Thanks for watching, and keep yourself and your neighbors cool.